Right. When I stumble upon things, explore with curiosity, I need to show you. So I turned on the screen recorder. I'm here in CyberLink PowerDirector video editing, and I'm trying to find a text-to-speech AI option to get an audio file. So what I did is I went into titles, I just picked a plain text, I brought a title over here, clicked it open, which you can then just right here in the top right screen type your text, okay, and you can make it bigger and make changes to it. So I've done that here, and here in the timeline I am right clicking on my mouse and there is an option AI text to speech. And now I am going to pick an option here. So I'm just going to see what this sounds like.
I'm heading to the supermarket to get groceries later. Let me know if you need.
I'm heading to the supermarket to get groceries later. Let me know if you need anything.
Are they all British?
I'm heading to the supermarket to get groceries later. Let me know if you need anything.
I'm heading to the supermarket to get
groceries later. Let me know if you need anything.
Okay, is there also... So there's English US, you can have different languages, which is awesome. So English US or UK are the options for accents. This one's not...
I'm heading to the supermarket to get groceries later. Let me know if you need anything.
What I like is that you can change the speed and the pitch. So let's just try that.
I'm heading to the supermarket to get groceries later. Let me know if you need anything. I'm heading to the supermarket to get groceries later. Let me know if you need anything.
Okay, and these are all defaults. There's speaking style here as well. And so if you want it more serious or cheerful, it's going to be education or narrative. I'm going to pick that.
I'm heading to the supermarket to get groceries.
That one's definitely too AI sounding.
I'm heading to the supermarket to get groceries later.
I don't know why you keep bringing this issue up again and again.
Okay, so that's just showing you other ways that things can sound. But for education, let's see here. Narrative. Which one was I using before?
I'm heading to the supermarket.
No, that's not good.
I'm heading to the...
No.
I'm heading to the supermarket to get groceries later. Let me know if you need anything.
Okay, so I'm going to go to all speaking style, default, gender. Wait, was it
I'm heading to the supermarket.
I think that one was the one. So I'm going to select, okay, so it's needing credits. So hopefully, so it might be an add-on cost. Let's see, let's, just, it's only one credit. I have 200. Let's try it. Deducted, it's talking about deducting credits. So, okay. So you can't just play. Void. Same language. Okay. Still 200. I don't know if it just didn't like that. Generate. Okay. Okay, complete, okay. So that's underneath. Let's hear what it sounds like.
Internally or externally, there is limited information and circumstances when sharing information.
So I was worried about an acronym not working out. Let's go into audio again.
Internally or externally, there is limited information and circumstances when sharing information is permitted by FIPA.
Oh, it was fine that time. Don't know why. Okay, let's try that one. Let's try again.
Internally or externally, there is limited information and circumstances when sharing information is permitted by FIPA.
Okay, so then that was fine. I don't know why it cut off the first time. Let's try it again.
Sharing information is permitted by FIPA.
Yeah, so that one's cut off for some reason. But I was able to still grab it by going to audio, AI generated. So I want to do that a few more times. Okay, I'm going to go to edit audio, edit an audio director, because I want to now create this audio clip as its own file. Okay. So it might not, because it's AI generated, it might not be letting me do that as its own file. So what I'm going to do, that might be a separate file because I opened it in audio director. I'm just going to delete that, delete that. Bring it to the beginning. Need to save project as, and then I'm going to produce it.
Please subscribe.
And what's key here to know when you are producing, I am going to export. Now I might just have the one small segment with a title and the AI text to talk. And usually I would do it in a video format, MP4. Okay, so here at the top, video format. If I go to audio format, now it's just giving me WAV and not MP3, but that might be fine for if you're uploading this audio clip to another course authoring platform, for example, or program. There are advanced options too, but I'm not going to worry about that. So I'm going to audio and I'm going to produce it as an audio clip. If I just had the one segment and deleted the rest in this file, then just select export, and then I will have exported just an audio file. So you want to remove everything else in the video so it's not longer, or the audio clip. Remove the rest as I just showed, and then produce your audio clip. And then you'll be able to use that audio file, that AI text to talk, for other purposes.